The choice. That much of the parents say, the condition here. The choice is not treated. But that woman now is what now to know about information by the truth. Which one of them overnight bless. Kumana kumana tunakoresha busu mbanga mzai bali bali. Fanya nakoresha kuchama nakoresha kuchama mswaki kwa parents day. The same guy had shared. Bali nakoresha kuchama bali parents day baba. So why talk about the machine? We are not just here. We talk about the here. So I nakoresha kuchama don't take bali nakoresha na knowledge. Like my family members. See after the ground, there is one with somebody. I can see who has never known the matter. Somebody has no prayer, what is the here? We should put the chain where we buy the palo. Now it's 10 minutes now, I buy the palo. Takanai went down when she said, oh, I don't want it. I didn't know I want. Not one hour. No situation, I don't have to say, I won't want also. No, if you're not, or my sister, I will know my brother. Now, not what is like that, one is now that was because I think I'm seeing. I went out for a long time in China. So if you put that money for some production, while we manage a grateful, you become one million problem. So what is the evolution model of home shows for 4 years? One family with a kitchen of cleaners throughout. It's super cool, she had 5 minutes. Then I want to know that is. So I think I'm saying, I have no and so the double see. No, I'm not boss. Look at the global receiver. You know, to support I receiver. See, you have my first day is very good source. But then we have what for a long time. I know more problem, I see problem. But it was one day to my anymore. What type of matter will become one problem? We don't think that is something down. But we don't want to know about papers. Actually, I'm going to do this. Lunch, you know, people. I see lunch is too shy. But I don't know how to do something. What is a problem? Do you know that I'm not sharing with Shanika? But one way to let you know who shout, you don't have to shit, by the they will not have a child. You don't want to child. Like, but I know, no, Peter in the kitchen, what is she? That's somewhere. I saw a woman to leave my little one more. They don't want to leave my. Remember, it's problem with Nana. He needs to go on much. Even if my child has for a long time. It's more like I'm married with associates. So how do I move? Who did it? What's going on? But for what China? But I don't pay to the country. Robert, let's say, oh, my name. Who's talking about my name? Oh, just one guy, you don't pay much. Because into the world is just something. You know, when one put out a son to one great city, who was a full one. John Canada, John, let's say, I'm not just I need to. But I don't pay my own things. What is one of us? Here, you see, no privacy. But when I was coming, one only no problem. One Buddha, unotasimamia bakakubona mashabito kwa alisifuta ashiko life is a kind of time asifia kutangia enda chama cha ndimo polisi matumisho na data sasa nani lipoga ndio sasa ndio unazokuwa fakiri nao ndio tunaita na kutimani mtoto mkubwa ukasalia upendo wako wasawati nao hakuna cha wazima upendo wako kwa hiyo mchezo tunataka ndio zimbao nikasema ndio tsanya au nasema ni party mwezi wa watu wina watu wanaona situation yangu ni watu wataenda hapo but so wataenda ndio tukomboa solution jino kwa usofa but unajitaka kusoma nani unasunza bado umevaa bado kufika hauna lazima ungaisha kuingia shambani au kama tena wanasa bona tukona that's why Isaiah anashoto zilifupi gani kwa life cha tena kuitafutisha kutana na omba kipende mfupi pombe tena ishate na vipana anaanza mtu akamwambia anamtaka mtu msio kwa leo Bible ndio unazungumza story. Kanada mwana shefa shai. Baada ya mti, anapokuwa Yesu kishika shamba, kabla mtu pasea. Mtu akaenda jesaba leo. Maisha za mtu tena. Zakeo mtu akaenda jesaba yule ni kwa kabila kutoka kile nyumba. Shuku zimauri, mwana usonda mazili. Mwana wakati ya Bible asikanze mwana wakutumia shii asikanze mwana wakanze wabutazizi anabasi wache anabasi wapashuku zekutandizi wapatamusai tashingu na mwana chesu wangu alifulaji chupani itanawi tashingu tuwanangu wafani warombi Bwana wasira sasa class na matina wana wako chini kuna wana na wale mbot beshuka wanda wana watu wasira mkaji tisi ndizo wanaona kwa pili bwana anapata mtindo wako bwana ili mtindo wako mwenyewe wamekabali wafanye kwa wale wana problem wakati shimo wako kana shambati sio msika mtu ndio wasukule mwana kwani zvokuta shimba asiri ukatomona ika mvura muzvabata so vavakana sina kuti ndawini mwana wangu pane mwenye saka vakaenda kuna Jesu mubereki ndani kuna Jesu kuna mwana wake akude mubhoti zvinotaka mwana wako hasi wenyu newako wadzimwa wako but Jesus alikuwa anakuona sisi sisi safari hivi ndio kama kwa safari ndio kama ile vile tunasiki ili wanatoka na wanatichi ndio mwana apewe message huko ndio message yangu ndio mtume ndio problem mwana akute ndio alikuta shano na mtume Yesu ndio tunakunaki chechi ndio jina ni watu wana mpira wako kanisisa ndio kwa kutunia mazuri kali mtatakuwa shodifa na wale shamba mpira wakamtisho mazi tuka mazi kucha mazi kushora batani ndio wanaotenda Mwana wa mkaya church ya safari badachukua yaje. Pita wakatenda Yesu ambatiza wakatiza. Pita akatenda. Mumsana na mume wao. Pita akapanda. Ile ndio mtera rundo. Alitera mtana na binadamu. Sababu usaba kwenzele ndije unozibambela kulo experience of shuna jiwot na shuna kishapana na shishi mwa itayo shishapo pelo jojo wewe wako kunya wewe na matina mtashukia wewe na nafsi shukia ipote kuyewe na kumbe kana wale shika shikana kipita kwa kweli na ana kuchakao imchanga ni fursa za Yesu nimepanda roho ndio akizaratizi na wachia wale wao ajia roho ndio kana dinabara kantinati wakafioma cha disaster azibere toka kwa ndii marriage baba wewe sisi huko na maisha sisi kaumba wale kama ipo wote pale ndio kamoja kwa mtandosho ipo kwa hiyo utisarati sana so bali wale msiwa na Mungu mmoja acha yes amen bora kila hisia bali na wimbo ushakata marumpeni na leo tuite na hao aliyoshiki baba Yesu mwaita upakiliki yangu mwaita umunye wangu mwaita uneni Unaizoma chukua mwanani masiri ndio hapa achishika madini mchebelo dawa yako ndio comfort zone ni dangerous but we need it kubuda laila but kama zishaka force nobody mwana kifaru ni sanoni kitafanya watu wasitamsuka kwa wale moja those who have experienced abortion unokanga anofu zokena you reach it uzi mokura malisi na utabuni kuchibata ya kuchisaba msoro Nugozo ni Mungu tunajawalia. Dini kwa leta mali yake bana. Leo tunaona kazacho. Na kupahasha. Ashadisi. Mwea. Nugozo na mashiso. Tirese para mzalendo kwa lesa na ndani. Bahumisa yako kwa msoro. Baadaye watu wapata ndio kwa mfano ndio kwa shamba. Sababu alitumana wapa ndio kwa wapa muona usifanye wapa utuka kile mpaka leo muona kwa watu kushinda usababu na sisi baba tu wanaoso ndio ndio taufu ni maji hakuna bwana wapa na kupenda bwana wapa ndio usifanye wapa mwali kisema wote watu wanaopota That's why people like to do every night. What you say, as yes, I don't know this. But this is not that. Okay, now put up. You don't know the in your machine. I see when you are machine, you are very simple. Pauli yana baraka kutoka kusiatoka ndani. Elo sura kata, ambapo tunataka itinda kaombe na kuelewa. Ukaona mimi mazuru, muombeacha nini? Pete last year, this week. Itana Usakutana ni sisi kwa maana ndio disaimu. Jina kwa maana wa shida ndio ndio ndio. Uponzo za wabuli right batika mtoto wa kurudzio. Kupendeza kuuliza kwa wabuli right batikiwa ni pamoja kwa wale wenyewe. Kwa sababu kupendeza. Bodi inaleta nawe. Alikuwa boss, akisema kwamba gari ndio rinokunika kuti mwana kuti kaa uko kwa ushiriko kaa uya experience in life yakasiyana nekuba kwenyu yaunowana kuna Krismesi zvekuti paunodzara kuti zvaunga tinobva vanoti kutiyepera unekopafadza kuti mwana yakukomborera norundu yakutanga kumusisa uye zvitova ndinobvuwa kuti zvinoitika zviko asi ukati Mwari izvi ndaaraiti ndakudawo zvitsva anotikava vese vanoenda kuti vanzokuita zvakati chinoita zvakati vakatendera kuitikava vakashanda navo uyai usangane nekuporesa vamwari uyai usangane nedzimwe nyasha dzamwari iyo ndidzi wacho anotikava choisi vanhu vari bhoti zvanzi uyai makaneta makaremera ndichakupai zuro vhesi yaenda kuchekuzana mozoisana zuro mekeeae navasachechi makaneta makaremera uyai zuro takauya tikazara ivo 29 noite problem vhesi 29 ndii takurai jokunavo takazorona nguwai takurai jokunavo nokuti akareruka kuzorora muchinja chekutakura kwete kusiya kutakura muchinja chekutakura kutakura zvake nokuti unanga akatakura zvavo kana watakura zvake aikutambudza zvirwere akasangana newe anosva aona kuti zvawakatakura nezvakristu ndiyanokudifera unenge mukadza nepamuviri wese kuba kudetsana newe anozwa kuti kudetsana newe mufuta asiri pano murizo kumuviri wese akatakura isaine kuti kuna akatambudza saka waya kuroza kungakunechifaitinauti saka chekutakura mimba yamwari urerekirwe mumwe murerekirwa kuri pamusisa zvekutakura zvisamaitanditari but famila nevenandenaochisi aibotoona mumwe uye unovazvichaita tinoproblem ndizvozvo nauya kuzokupa imwe vhangeri navo lese vaunenge kuravai vanobata mwari wamunabata wenyu hakuna umwe mwari dzimba mwari wamunonata lese vanozvinoshamisa vanhu vanonamata imwe watikuparizvawo so kana ari the same yesterday today forever iti mwari my case must change tadwana mabhota ndozvokumusha kwedu ndozvokuba kwedu todii aiwa wakauya kuna Kristu wedu nekumusha kwedu ngavazive kunaka kwamwari ngavaone dzimwe nyasha dzamwari vavanhu ngavatendeuke kwete nekuparidzirwa nekukuona vafaraida kuna Lazaro because Lazaro pese paaimubvakacha mbiri yaifamba ndeyakristu kuti Jesu akaoma saka vakavaora pa 4 days ndosaka vakati bheta kuna yaLazaro because Lazaro hakupuri haparidzi iye pachake evidence nekugona kwamwari komborerwa kusvika palevel yekuti hautaure unotaurwa ndakazviona kana une mari shoma ndopaunotaura kuti dzine mari kana wanayo unotaurwa kuti anayo ukaona uchitaura wega ipo sorry nenge rafasishuwa wanoto ndine mari asa ikavapo tisitozvitaura kuti anayo ropafadzwa to that level but zvinobva panharo andozvokumusha kwedu ukatisona kudzoka kumba ine handidzoke mwari makandipa imba iyi secure my marriage chemera imba yako kuna mwari bhoti rekumba kwedu nekuti vese munodzoka ndezvekuba kwedu kwete zvekuna Kristu kana vaviri vabatanidzwa nyasha dzamwari hadzitiwo papasanurike ipapo itanhao kunyika ngaashamisike kuti nharo dzake dzinomubva paya nokuti ndaakumuziva ukamuziva unoita prayer kuti vanhu vanovhunduka kuti ukazvaenda matachitaura is believing God for a house in God. Hazvifite ndezvenyasha. Ndezvenyasha hazvifite. Ende musafika mazvo ndokuti vanhu vazive kuti ndimwari kutsanana hapana zvaibuda. Dai Mwari ativamira nyasha. Amina unobuda iri mubhoti. Ichoice. Iri bhoti rinorwadza. Iri bhoti don't let me possess that mastorm I fight against the boat, not against Jesus. I bought the promotion, I bought the things, I bought the community, Nika Yawaka. Those are really Nikayachu, Mamina Heta economy. Nyasha Zamuaria teach a bond. Those of Sabina bond, but over a list for a professor. Mwara tell me the bonus. In a dry season, anakuratiza kurama kwake. Unochisa. Unomupura kuna mababwari ma hard times. Zawazona kumana twasukura nezuru sataga unabona.
Twana Mwari achitishandisa this generation dispensation kwete nokuti takarurama. Inyasha dzenguva, in the last days I'll pour out my spirit. Sons and daughters will prophesy. In the last days, when the holy generation is available, I'll pour out my the prophetic move in a chekuita ne dispensation kwete holiness. So you don't go profit wacho vane nyaya yo wachi profit. Ndatopedza. Unaenda deeper ipapa ku Zimbabwe.